Today we'll continue the tamale making, and we're on step 2, which is making the bone stock or bone broth for making the tamale. And how I prefer the way to make the bone stock is, the first step is I'm going to blanch the bone by washing out all the debris, the fats and the blood. Step is that you fill up with a pot with cold water, and then just dump the bone in. It's just like this, and you bring this to boil. Now I already have one, which is this one. I already bring to boil. After you bring to boil and reduce the heat, just simmering this broth for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on chicken or pork or bone. And today I'm using the beef bone, and I will simmering for 10 minutes in a low temperature, just simmering, not boiling. After 5 minutes, 10 minutes done, we are going to drain this. And wash the bone with some hot water. Wash it. Clean all the unnecessary debris and put back in the pot. And then you start over again. Use the cold water. Now this, from this point, we make the soup. We make the stock, or we call the broth, for making the tamale. And you use cold water. So this is done, and then we start here all over again. Now we're going to season. Put some seasoning in the water. What I do is this. There's some seasoning here: bay leaf, garlic, a little ginger, a little pepper, two red onion, some salt, and a little fresh green onion, and cilantro. You will bring this to boil and then reduce the heat, and then put in the simmering mode for 2, 3, 4 hours, depending on how much the bone is. And now I'm going to show you is that I have one already made yesterday, which is with the chicken bone as well. So looks like this, but you will skim it for the pure soup. Then those stock is for making the next step, the red sauce and the tamale doughs, and from here.